We are talking.
Go
Miss
away.
Verona, please forgive me. Help! Help! Sister, please, somebody help me, please! Parang
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
remember to subscribe, like, comment, share.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye. Enjoy.
Miss Verona, please, Miss Verona. Him causing Miss Verona. Mama say me not know if he go. Miss Verona, me not have no if he go, please. Miss Verona, I'm really sorry if you stab your son, Miss Verona. Him attack me.
Go
Miss
away.
Verona, please forgive me. Miss Verona, please forgive me, please.
I said you must go away.
You don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you want. I made plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart. Fell in love with potential while you fell amused. Hope you liked the attention while I was being used. Mr. Nonchalant, thanks for keeping it so cool.
Jebia,
Yeah, Kayla, what you say?
girl, right now I wanna go and look for you up here, yard.
No, I'm gonna get me here though. No want me.
Girl, me get kicked out that picture spot me did there.
So me not think you see alright is by you there. So we have to get code.
You if you don't understand.
I tell you, forgot your yard, you know. I mean, I know where you still at the way, wherever you're there. I mean, I know why you're still there, so I'm tell a guy your yard. You need to go home.
Alright.
You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
By your yard. And make sure when you reach your yard, you call me so we can't say your yard because you lie.
Alright.
Alright.
Babes.
Yes.
Yeah, what?
Somebody I do.
Oh, your son, so?
I don't know, say. I don't know, say.
What happened? Come in that call earlier, I'm gonna get you. What happened?
Yeah, man, know about that, man, but I throw me there. You know, me there clean up some blood and things, because
You clean up some what?
some blood, man, because, you know, somebody use one knife and stick in my hand, stab in my hand.
Somebody use knife and stab in your hand?
That, there's not tell say somebody attack me, man, somebody stab me on my shoulder with one knives.
Somebody stabbing your shoulder with a... So where they know?
You know, say, I don't hospital, me they still try to get some stitches.
So somebody stab me just to call me and me call me and get me come down to hospital. Me can't
No, man, you don't have to come to the hospital, you understand?
You can't tell me say me not to come down to hospital. Me have to go come down there.
No, man, you don't have to come down there, man. As soon as I leave, I'm get a couple stitches and them cover the wound. I will come check, you understand? And you're going to be surprised you know how to.
Me I got surprised to know who do what. Stab you?
Yeah, man, you know how.
So who stab you?
Well, no come, man, you talk about.
Stop tell me about when you come, like what tell me what happened, be.
I can't talk right now. Remember, say me tell you, say me the hospital now.
Oh, Jesus God.
Yes, I wait on them and things, so I lose money, so I help and go in.
So them are gonna let you out today? You are gonna come out today?
Me not admit, man, me I come out to them, man. It's just a small injury, you understand? It's just that it a pain me kind of my right shoulder get it. See, they are go in, you know.
This is unbelievable. You have to be more careful. Because I don't know where you go and people in an argument or altercation and make people stab you and it. What really happened?
Wait there. Doctor, take time with me and no money can't leave me. So you're messing up, babes.
Just do it, no. As I said, me not fi come down there. Just
come down, man. You ask me tell me I stitch up here and then as me left, right at your place, me I come.
Alright, B. Me I go just me I pray say you're alright and everything, you know, because right now me just stress out. Me stress out to kill and they gone. Me can't hear nothing and they know you were my only source of joy right now. They out fi take you from me. You have to be more careful and just do what you do and come. Because honestly me stress out right now. Me don't know what to do right now.
God. Just go on easy, man. James, as me tell you, just go on easy, man. Everything will be good, isn't it?
Alright.
I'm time for going in now, so not for come at 5 months, so. We page in a couple hours, so a couple minutes right now.
Alright. Jesus. Man. Man.
I want babes.
Be you frightening me now?
Hush, man. No need to drink so.
You're frightening me, B. Me just close the door so me I go back out there to go get some fresh air.
Oh, me tell you something, I come down after me. Oh, gosh. Take time, remember, say, if fragile, say, it happen now.
So why is it? Come we got this because current gone in our house or something, you know. So when we got this, to go sit down. So how you manage, like who you say? Me not understand. Alright, sit down first and then you tell me. Sit down, what you mean? You should have carried chair and I
No,
go
man, that
feature.
good, man, that good.
You sure be me can go feature now?
He good, man, he good.
No, go move over from me.
Yeah, step up.
Me curious to know who stab you now.
You sure you don't want to know who stab me?
Me just stop now, just make me know. Who you say stab you? Somebody with me know?
You don't want to know?
Of course, me want know more. If for somebody with me know more, know who stab you. Stop beat it. Why you beat around the bush?
Nah, go on the bush. You hear me, I say. I'm not thinking know who. Maybe you know who. Maybe you don't know who. You see me, but I normally you through win a game and you know bad man and thing and drag down piece of food that day. So you boy see me in a party and you give me a one stab. You know a coward stab. Me only God say I know over yourself. I know over my heart in time. I'm good. You see me?
You see, I'll be honest with you because I've been doing a lot of thinking lately. And I know say me make some bad choices in our life and something. And I know we might do things at times and we tend to regret our actions and all of that. But you see, thinking about all of this and the whole game thing and whatever, me feel like you make enough money where you can literally start investing in some different things right now. And if you have your own business, buy some equipment. And then something you can buy some equipment, buy some machine and so you can rent out. You understand? Even one excavator, you can get one excavator shipped down where you can have it for use it, rent it out and make money. You understand? As me say, you need to start investing in some different things right now and be one official businessman. And that me want you to do right now because you're there making money and they go a party and they do this and they do that. That don't make no sense. You're making enough money now. When you make one money, people don't have to know say you drag down money, you know. People not have to know all of that. You have to be a man of substance right now.
Yeah, me understand what you say, but it's not. When me live in the office and me do my thing and really me alone because me have a runner, you understand? So, I the runner now.
Be alright. You're the top about runner or whatever. This is what me want you to do. Because me know say you have your money and something. We're going to invest in some things right now. More you for the stop, but you're the only office for the right now and in your business office.
You know say true though.
And this is more you for there. You have your laptop and something. I go get here, I go clean up your laptop and I go make sure so you do the right thing because at the end of the day, me not like this. Me not like the direction where this is going.
Yes, you want to.
I may have you in my life as one stronghold.
Yeah, just easy. You want to come. Hello. Mommy. Wait. Mommy, we can't discuss that right now with family right now because me and somebody important in my life. They are going to have a race thing, you see me? So me don't do what I do. Me talk, me call you and me and your reason. That's soft man, mom. Just want to faith, man. Alright. Sorry about that, yes. But me say just relax, man. Me I listen. See, me I listen to you, man.
If me can feel this type of way, just imagine how your mother feel.
I understand what you say, man. Me say, I'm going to listen to you. See, my man and so. I'm going to link to me. Father work people, they see me, make them see if they can start build up some structure and thing. And in the process, I don't want you to stress out yourself, mama. You understand? I don't want you to make this a mother.
Babes, you know, so you don't understand. Me have to stress out myself. I don't know where Kayla there now. Kayla left and gone. And yes, me there when Kayla take up myself and gone. And me try hold on for Kayla for me no make Kayla live. And Kayla swing me off and gone. And the day one woman call me say, Kayla live with her now or something. Me don't know where Kayla there. Me don't know if nobody I take no step or nothing.
Yes, you see in her life, you see with kids nowadays, you see true, she reached certain age and she's feathering right now, so she feel like she a big man, so she want to go up on her own. See, me not say for low her make she go up on her own, but if I the road that she choose, then it make she face it hard.
Listen, me.
Dude, just calm down, man. Remember, say I never you send her, I never you put her out, you know?
Yeah, me never put her out, but let me tell you, it's how me think about it sometimes. You see, me must say Kayla my child, you know. You must say Kayla for me pitney. You know, sometimes I'll disappoint you over the so you're crying or I'm sitting. Sometimes when me think about you, me hear and the pitney are crying and me reflect back on Kayla and me I say, oh, and sometimes me I listen up me if I wonder if Kayla the ball, like, me don't know, like, you know, I understand how me feel. I know you can't get stopped right now, me don't know anything can happen, you know. You get stopped, me I feel woman and sitting. You know, me don't know if people have me as a target for
you just relax, nobody have you as a target. Kayla feel like she a woman, she makes you stay where she there, you see me? You understand? Makes you feel the right, you see me? Makes you feel how life feel, you understand? Since she left for your yard and I feel like she a woman, she do what she want to do. I feel like child son and never you tell her to go, you know. So now I have straight out herself over that because if Kayla did care, she would have come back and check for you and see if you're good. She not come back for sure say she know what she do and she know what she want, but she knows that she don't want to be here so with you.
Babes, how can a mother's tender care cease from the child that she bears? Tell me. It's not so easy. It's not so easy.
So I try to tell me, sir. You just relax me, I go there and kill up yourself because Kayla gone or Kayla, nothing to do Kayla, I tell her.
Yes,
which
but we need to find her, me.
Alright, more, hear me I say to you. You understand? You see, if I talk about Kayla one more time, I just left her place, you understand? Matter of fact, you don't have to talk about her, I left your place because I tell her, say, don't stress out yourself. Listen to me, no, man, I go hear my mother say, see? I hear my mother say.
Me not stress out, me say. Me not stress out, me say. But
me call you. You understand?
Alright, me not
make sure so me call you,
myself.
you know son so and you not talk about Kayla. I tell her say Kayla good where she there worry about Kayla. Kayla not worry about you, you know. She a big woman, she want turn big woman, make she do big woman things, man. Me call you.
Let me marry me, oh God. Oh God, me gotta come back, oh God. Oh God, answer me prayer, God, answer me prayer. Come, baby, come. Come, Kayla, come. 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 Kayla.
Let me go in the house. Come stress out. I'm going in the house.
Kayla, you don't have to stress. All of your stress over me, baby. All of your stress over no look for me, Kayla. You don't stress me for me stress. Kayla, you stress me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all the way you go through. I'm sorry, Kayla. I'm sorry for all the way me put you through. Me not put nobody over you. Nobody me not put over you, my daughter. Nobody. Me make sure say you're alright. Me fi be your best friend, Kayla. You're not gonna know it. You're not
Yeah,
gonna know
Kayla,
me.
you come back. Me miss you. Me miss you too, you know, Kayla. Don't do that again, man. Alright.
Father God, me thank you. Me thank you for bring my daughter to me. Father God, you guide her to come back to me. Thank you, God. God, me thank you. Thank you, God. Kayla,
Go.
Kayla, you're alright. You hear?
Yeah.
You're alright.
I will sit down and talk. I'll sit down.
Oh, God.
Kayla, you want me pick mango for you? Yeah.
Why, me tell you? Because I want good look boy, you know.
Yeah.
You have one good heart. You can just ask if I want the mango. And you can climb a tree and pick mango for you. Kayla, so talk to me now. Tell me. Where did they, Kayla?
But mommy, the lady tell me say she call you and answer.
Kayla, me no know. Me still no know. Me have to ask you where did they, because me no know if I have nobody plan. If you say yes, say they or whatever. Me must say me no know people, you know. Me no know what, me no know which part you're there. Me can't have a clue. That's why me tell the lady say, me go call police. Because me no know where you're there, me no know if you're safe. Me not even know if they're straight. Because some of the women I know we say, them a woman, them a man. They're not straight. You understand?
Yes.
All kind of things I go through my brain. Kayla.
Mommy, I never nothing like that, mommy. I don't even know if to tell us right now. I'm just frustrated.
But you see, the bottom line is, you come back, Kayla, and everything I go alright. Everything I go alright.
Mommy, everything now go alright.
What you mean, Kayla? Everything I go alright, Kayla. Come here and make sure you say alright. Me I go make sure you say alright, you know, my daughter.
Mommy, probably you're too late because certain things happen and you can't take back.
What you mean me too late? What could have happened? Anything happen, Kayla, we go live past that. We are gonna live past that. Anything at all happen, as me say, we go live past it.
No, mommy.
What you mean no? Kayla, stop saying no. What you mean by? You hear me say? We
Yeah,
gonna
this yeah. Thanks. Yeah, tell me I go back up. Yeah. Yeah, alright, take care. Mommy, I don't like that. The reason why me say it can't take back is because my body undergo some changes.
what you mean nobody undergo some changes, Kayla? Talk to me, what you mean? Even so, remember say you're growing, Kayla. You grow, you dey get older day by day, so your body are gonna feel different. your body you go feel, you go even put on some weight and then something there. So me understand all of them little changes there.
Mommy never mind.
What you mean never mind? Talk to me. Another the changes you talk about, what you say? What happened to you?
Mommy, me pregnant.
Hi. Ooh. Hi. Hi. Kayla, what you say?
Mommy, me pregnant.
What you say, Kayla? Kayla, you sure? Eh?
Yes, mommy, me sure.
Kayla, you mean if you tell me say you left where you go catch belly, Kayla?
Mommy, before me left, it happened.
How?
Mommy, remember say they make swag boss friends sleep in our room.
Jesus mercy then Kayla, how that happen? Him not supposed to do that. Because me say he seen come in a room. Yes, he come in a room for sleep in a room. But one side of bed he sleep on one side of bed. Me never mean say sleep with you, meaning say fi come do what with you. Me not understand Kayla. Eh? Me no he have to go talk to me now. He have to go talk to me now. So me will make sure to reach out to Sock Boss you know. Because he have to go talk to me. Because me a prison, me a go prison somebody. Or me have to go prison for somebody. He nah go so, you know, Kayla. He nah go so. Because me never send him fi come lay down on top of you.
But mommy, it don't happen already, can't change.
Kayla, it could have happened 100 times. He have to go reverse. Kayla, he have to reverse. Kayla, he have to reverse. You can't, you know, nobody knows you're pregnant. You not tell nobody.
Yeah, in lady.
Alright, me can't fix she. No tell nobody. For you can't carry pitney for them the nigga there. You can't carry it. Jesus
What
Christ,
if
Kayla. Hi. Hi. Kayla, it can't work. It can't work, Kayla. It can't work. You have to get rid of this, Kayla. It can't work.
no, mommy, that's not gonna hurt me.
Listen to me, Kayla. Me and your mother. Me know what is best for you. You have your bright future ahead of you. Me know exactly what to do. As me say, that the boy there, them the sort of boy there, they don't want nothing. They don't have nothing. They don't want nobody. They don't want nothing. You understand? You can't carry pitney for them. So me know exactly what to do. As me say, you have your bright future ahead of you, Kayla, and me have plans for you. You understand? So just trust and believe in what me I tell us, Kayla. You are going to do the right thing, and me I going to do the right thing. Me I going to do the right thing. So come. Kayla, come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Take up your mango them where your cousin pick for you. Come. JJ,
Yes, auntie.
come here.
Yeah?
Go buy one Pepsi for me, come, please. Hurry up. One Pepsi, hurry up. Can you come and give me a year?
Yeah.
me not understand this. Because Swag Boss say, in friend say no sleep with Kayla. They not do nothing. He no give me no money. Nothing at all. Everything just go as zero. So, I saw them want to drop it. I saw him want to drop it. Alright. Me and you because you come at me yard. Kayla feel me pitney. And you come at me yard. You come lay down with me pitney. Tell lies, say you don't get nothing or nothing. You don't give me no money, no nothing at all. Eh? You can't get away with this so easy. Prison, nah, miss you. All the Suck Boss want beg with me, and Suck Boss can't beg for you. Money you not have to pay me up. Pay me up. Millions me I deal with. Millions. Me need either 1 or 2 million. Nothing less. Millions me want. I was prison. Nah, miss you. You can't miss it. Hey.
Yeah, babes.
Babes, all gone.
Where the pan?
When the year reach down.
Yeah, man, man.
Alright, your friend who did come here, remember when Kayla there and sitting and your friend who did come sleep with down here with her or something?
Yeah, I remember all of that.
You can't send your number, come give me please.
Yes, sir.
In number, more you send your number, come give me. Want call him.
So why all of a sudden you want my friend number? I don't understand.
No, B, I just Kayla wants to say hi to him or something. Just want call him so Kayla say hi to him.
Kayla come back home for she and her own big man.
B, no worry about that. What you mean? Kayla, me daughter, you know. No worry about that. Just tell me number. Just tell me number, B.
You know, so me can't send my friend number. Me not say.
So, boss, just say me can't bother with you sometime. See you're stubborn. You're very stubborn. Alright then, if you don't want to give me a number, it's fine. Come up here and come call him.
B. I send a number. I send type in it. 876.
If you don't want to come up here and if you don't want to send you can come up here, and make sure talk to him on your phone,
Me I go send no man. I send no. 876.
Hold on. Yeah.
217.
Yeah.
7355.
Alright.
Alright, that good then.
Yeah, B, me go call him. Hang on.
Alright, later.
Mm-hmm. Hello? Yeah, who this? Juju, Sogwa's friend. Yeah, what's up? Alright, so this is Sogba's girlfriend. Sogba's woman rather. Me just a call her for get some things clear, right? Because my daughter Kayla, I don't know if you knew that she did run away from home and something, she come back now, and it's a whole lot of dilemma that's taking place right now, right? The night when I did come at my house and something, you come sleep with her. Yeah, remember you say you never sleep with her or nothing, You remember I said the deal was for you go in the room and just sleep in the room. Me never say if you climb on her or nothing, and now you take advantage of her, right? And she's going through so much right now. At this point in time, she's pregnant. And you are responsible because my daughter was like Mary. You understand? So you need to take full responsibility right now. And may I be honest with you?
you know so then something in prison work because me there's no way. Yes, you come here and if you did want give me a money, you give me a money just for stay. Me not say if you go in there and take disadvantage or nothing and you do what you do and you cover up your mouth and you say, oh, not no go on and whatever and something. So me not understand. Me not understand. So you right now, me I tell you straight up. Before me go down at the station, me I tell you no. Because I go down and me want go down at the station now. You understand? If you go talk to the soup. So you must tell me where you decide to do. Because me want at least $1 million or 2. So you need to do what you do. And if you wait too long, you go have to give me more. You understand? So you know where to find me. Me the home or something. Yeah, so you just do the right thing. I mean, me I tell her, within the next 2 hours, you have to do the right thing. Yeah, cause Soup soon left off at duty right now. So do the right thing. I mean not say nothing more. Me not even up on the long bag of talking or nothing. Just do what you need to do. You understand? I mean in a no long chatting, no long argument me not in a right now. It the amount of things where you put my daughter through, me put him run away because of you and them something there. Eh? No, it can't work. So just do what you need to do. And me done talk. Yeah, Shanika. What? Alright, me just a call if you find out. Zine, how you do with young Billy again Hansen? Yeah, so yeah man, me mix up all of that already. So just the rusty nail me don't want to know. Alright. No, as somebody I know no man as somebody. As somebody call me and you know then confide and me asking something but you me don't know a girl. I mean know say you're expert on the incident so you will know so me I call her for ask so. Yeah, so me go call her back and tell her. Mm-hmm. Alright. Jesus. Alright, so you get to drive. You just go up on the road. You check Marcus. Do what we do. And then no. I'm gonna check my friend.
Alright.
So come. Everything I got alright there, my baby. Jesus. Why is sun so hot? You know, see how far away they want go, but we soon reach them.
I don't like that.
You know, what you mean you don't like that? You don't like what?
Mommy, you like to me and tell me say we are going to look for your friend. You can go to the station and go report.
Stop your night. What wrong with you, Kayla?
Mommy, me never did want to do that. Regardless of what you do to me. Me never did want that to
Stop.
happen.
Where you there make up your face and they fuss yourself out? Me tell us left everything to me. Tapping eyes, everything alright.
Mommy, you make me go tell lie, mommy.
What kind of lie you tell? You not tell no lie.
But are you making come in there, can't sleep?
Yeah, stop your foolishness.
I'm pregnant.
Stop say you're pregnant, Kayla. You're not pregnant again. Me no do it. You're not pregnant again, girl. You know, stop going someone. Stop going so you're not pregnant again.
Yeah, everybody make me do some things I don't want to do.
Kayla, you know, relax yourself. Me and your mother, you must listen to me. When me talk to you, you must listen to me when me talk. And cut out the foolishness. What wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? I'm just tired.
We soon reach down. Me call Sockboss say, me call Sockboss and talk to Sockboss. He don't meet we around river. So when he come around river now, he go Sockboss go call him friend and talk to him and he go have to carry money come cause he done. Girl, you have to go do the right thing.
What you mean by that, mommy?
What you mean the money we all get? So keep yourself quiet. They don't want to get in no trouble, so they have to do the right thing. As me say, Sockboss I go meet you up there and the money I go come.
Mommy, you couldn't make Sockboss
Stop
friend
your eyes now. What you mean? What you say? What you say?
You couldn't make Sockboss friend come.
Me say, Sockboss or calling friend. I told them, you know. Nobody feel like I say I one of them. I told them tonight, you know. So nobody feel like one I go left one. You hear me say? The money have to come at $1 million we are talk about. And if you no mind sharp, we go 2. So relax.
Yeah.
You hear me say?
Yeah.
Come on, girl. And relax yourself. Oh, Jesus. It's been a journey, Kayla. But as me say, everything I go alright. You go sit down here, so I'll go and relax. I go call Sockboss now and tell him so we reach.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. What's my next phone there? Let me call him from this.
Where can I call a friend?
Kayla, you ready to debate man call a friend. Sometimes you have to give them benefit I do with them, man. You know, relax yourself. Me know me I do.
Mommy, there is a...
What?
Something to tell you. I mean, there is one me know why you make Sockboss come up here. It's because of me stab him.
Where say Kayla?
Mommy stab Sockboss.
Which part you see Sockboss fi stop Sockboss?
I don't know Sockboss mother and me dad stay, mommy.
Okay. So Kayla,
Yes, mommy.
you know so no take me for warm. Eh? You know so how you reach down a Sockboss mama yard? Eh?
Yes, mother.
Okay. So Sockboss, you running from the yard and a Sockboss you go with. So when him a say how you are looking at you two in a things.
No.
So you take me for idiot then?
No.
Me say you take me for idiot.
No, mommy, I don't like that.
I like how?
A Sockboss mother put me on. Me never know say I'm son.
What?
The grill is open. Come inside.
Listen me, you know so you take me for an idiot. Listen to me now. More you tell me truth and more you tell me everything, cause yes so everything done now. Me want you to tell me truth. Me no want you to have no farmer dark secrets. So when you try to tell me so let me know now. Who breed you? A Sockboss breed you or a friend breed you? How it go?
Friend.
So you want to tell me? No. It want to tell me for that. Eh?
No, mommy. I never know say I'm mother.
Jesus. So, okay, so how you get fist stab Sockboss? How?
Because in that attack me, so me defend myself.
When mean him attack you?
In that touch up me a certain place and me never like it.
Hey!
Ah! Kayla.
Yes, mommy.
Ooh. I need a stress added. Kayla, you mean for tell me, say, me and your mama, and you really take your mama, man?
No, mommy, say cannot get it. Me never take him.
Kayla, you know, so you're easy. Eh? You're real soft soap, you know, Kayla? I saw me train you. Eh?
Me do.
Kayla, you're real pretender.
Me do, mommy.
Eh? You're one real pretender. Me never know, say, I saw you stay, Kayla. Eh? Eh?
When Sock Boss come call.
Kayla, me no need support to tell me nothing. I want to hear from you. And you need to tell me the truth. All what you they tell me, say, like it's like me can't come to all the way they tell me, say, Kayla. You want real pretender all the days that they run me and sitting for you feel me pick them but me don't know you. Me need to know what really they take place. Me don't want, as me say, Kayla, me don't want you hide nothing from me. Me want to know the truth. As you see, honestly, me can't understand, Kayla. Me don't understand what really they take place.
Hello.
You understand?
Alright, we don't really have enough time, but what I say is that Virgin I say, yo, we can't manage $1 million, isn't me? And when you know bingo, so you don't really have them type of funds, they're not really strong like that, you know? Oh, gone. What we miss?
Sock Boss. You dey come near the say your friend can't manage $1 million, your friend can't do this.
Babes,
And your friend can't do that.
Babes, what you do? Oh, gone.
Don't touch me. Hey, you see you?
Watch on. Relax up.
We are talking about. Kayla, what's the next thing? What's the knife? We struggle. Leave me.
Yes, easy, babes.
Mommy,
We must hold our boy there. We must hold him. We must hold him. And him and his friend have to pay for it. Have to pay for it. Matter about his friend don't have that. He come out with his son him out. Matter about friend this and friend that. Them a go see. And then have to find it. And that's in the hand. Remember me tell you say, you have to find it. And him in a problem. You come. Him in a problem. You can't sleep a female. Come on. All this, you watch me and him and this. This. Me don't want nothing more. This. You such an happy, you know. You come.
Are you happy with how we end?
Walk back.
Is it warm enough? In the bedsheet, oh so slept in. Did I ask for too much? Isn't my fault, I thought we were perfect. Should have believed you. When you you said that you didn't deserve me. You don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you want. I made plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart. Fell in love with potential while you fell amused. Hope you liked the attention while I was being used. Mr. Nonchalant, thanks for keeping it so cool. Hey, Mr. Nonchalant, do you know your role? I dream you're nothing special.
Maybe sit down right there and rest off because a far away I walk from my foot are hurting. Hoy! Rest on the table there, son. Yeah, Shanika, walk on. Well, some of them man tired me up on the road still. What? What? You hear so which church man run out my daughter? Run out my daughter from which part? No, I know for my daughter, no bother with that. And you hear so she did pregnant? Wait. Look here man, Shanika me and your friend, no bother, no come with that. No make me have to disrespect me from my phone. No come to me with no mix up and something. It's when you come on to me pitney, me no run certain joke. So nobody come to me with no foolishness. And not for me pitney. Church man run out which pitney out the house and girl, not bright yourself. What you mean? I wonder if she me did what resting your and something for me. No come to me with that. As me tell you say, as somebody asks me, and me call you for ask you. So nobody go on like I say, you they try put 2 and 2 together now and say, take me pitney out time mix. And all I know is sit down and have me pitney in name in no mouth and take your town no dirty sour mouth. You hear me say? And I make me get cross. What you mean no me a go on? Because you call me, you're supposed to know how to address me when you call me phone. You call me phone and talk to me about me pitney, about woman run me pitney out the house. You not do that, girl. Of course. You know easy. No come to nobody do that. No come to me with no mix up. Me dey on the run and me not have time for this. Look more. You can imagine. Where you get this sorry for this I wish this woman I saw she a swing for her mouth. Eh?
That truth.
Alright. Shut her mouth. What kind of truth? So you're gonna help people bring her down? Eh?
No.
Keep your mouth. You hear me say? So about him friend face me not joke with him and I say, you know. Everybody does not feel like say they can come down for me one time, you know. Eh? I was so? Me a them weak fence. Eh? Let me call him for all for him mind face me in a joke. Oh, me not depending with them. Oh. Hello, Juju. Listen to me, man. Listen to me, man. Listen what me they say. What? Yes, I mean they run a cool it on their way. So swag boss thing, come to me and tell me how you don't have all I try have a whole light. Me they run a cool it on sit down. Right? So if I say they come now, you come right now. Me and me hard to go. Me no depend on the foolishness with nobody. If a man me depend on the road, I me need to come off now. So do what you do. I mean, say me have my receipt. So you must know what you doing now. You must speak your choice. I mean, now there's I wait no long time. What you mean about what kind of receipt? Me get my receipt from upper station. So you try do what you do. You hear? Me the right as sit down. And me there with me pit and me want go me yard. So you must know what you do. What you mean you not have $1 million? Eh? Every day on a chop line. Every day on the depend me down a chop, God on a chop lad. And you don't have 1 million. Oh, so you cap then. I ya cap then. I be a cap or no cap. Well, me tell you something. Me no have no cap or cap. 1 million me want, and I yes so me sit down. So the way I do, me don't chat. Me no more chatting with them. And $1 million me say if you can come. Oh, me there so me a wait. Me don't chat. You know foolishness. For a man, me dey on the road. Me need to go on my yard and no man. Me need to go back on my yard, go relax myself and come on my foot there, me this and walk up and down. If my drinks not go on my head from morning. You know foolishness. I mean I still don't just wait no long time, you know. Me have my receipt, all me do, if me police them a pass, me tap them and me go in a vehicle with them and go look for him. Show them my receipt and go look for him. And try any one of them, me see whether 45, 56 or 57. Any one of them, me see me tap them. He better try make sure it's not 36 me see first. 55, 36. Dog me and for him supper. Yeah? So make him go on. Make me there so wait too long and see. You alright, Kayla?
Yeah.
One woman get shot, one woman get shot.
Hey, Mr.
Somebody call the ambulance. Mommy, wake up. Mommy, wake up.
Are you happy?
Somebody call the ambulance. Mommy, wake up. Mommy. Somebody call the ambulance. Mommy. Help, help. Sister Bree, somebody help me, please. Hang on.
Isn't my fault? I thought we were perfect.
Mommy.
I believed you when you said that you didn't deserve me. You don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you want. I made plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart.
Maggy Films.
Maggy. Hi, my name is Princess China. Welcome to Maggy Films. Subscribe and share. Make sure you like.
Subscribe.
Guys, please subscribe. I hope you like this video. We don't know here again.
Yeah, man. Look at that video. Look at that video, sir. No, sir. Sit down, sir. One of them. I don't know me. Sit back to me here. I'm burnt. Say subscribe now. Say subscribe now. Subscribe now. Subscribe where? No. Subscribe no.
Hold on, go on like son, subscribe up. Oh, for when me telling me say subscribe, it's a joking thing with the pan. My son. I train a year, but me not run down. Boy. Now yourself, mama. So now, yo, you. What time they subscribe to Maggy Films already? No. No. Where's the no? No. No, you said what? No, you said why?
We are Maggy Films. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing now for more entertaining movies.